Guess what, you guys? Tonight we're making homemade Gatorade, you guys, by using natural fruits with seeds in it, you guys. This is a lemon that I'm squeezing, you guys. And then the other fruit that I'm going to be using, you guys, is a grapefruit, you guys. And these right here will help quench your thirst, you guys. And it also will help keep you from eating up the whole house. Don't you know grapefruit helps you feel full without overeating? And then too, you guys, I'm using agave, you guys. Agave is a nectar. Nectar come from a tree called agave, and I'm mixing it up with the mountain spring water, you guys. This will keep Dr. Hood with natural energy, and this will keep your gut down, you guys. Dr. Hood, this is my favorite summer drink, you guys. Dr. Hood, thank me now. Out though.
It's good all night.